Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Volvo P220 State. This casting is by Hotwheels from their premium. It's a nice looking classic car. You can see, I don't know if you like it, but I love this design of the Volvo. It's from that era where they were a bit curvy rather than boxy. But it looks nice. So this one is obviously it's a premium, so you got rubber tires, nice looking wheels, better details, nicer paint, and a metal base. And something interesting about this one, unlike a lot of Hot Wheels these days which are made in Thailand, this is actually made in Indonesia, so something different. Obviously not a new casting, it's from 2020. Now starting from the front, in the front you've got some really nice details. As you can see, detailed headlamp, you got the detailed grille, Volvo badge, turn indicators, blacked out bumper. It's a lot of good details. It has got a special livery K&N paint job, so it looks slightly different. Base paint is gray, and then you've got this orange and red K&N. Front again, so hood is very classic looking. Looks like the cars from that era where you have those bulge on the hood, and it looked evolution of the older cars where the hood was very, I won't say thin, but it wasn't, the fenders were separate from the hood, so it's an evolution of that older design. Now this one doesn't come with any mirror or windshield wipers, which I hate, but then again it's a few years ago, so the paint theme continues to the top. Same on the driver's side. It's highly tinted, so you can't really see the interior, but it's definitely modified, so it's lowered, but those multi-spoke wheel and rubber tires look good. You also got a badge here, a door handle, and looks like there's no rear door. So it might be just a two-door wagon. Obviously it's a big state car. You can see that boxy shape coming back here, but you can also see that feature line coming from front to the back. Still looks nice, I guess. On the back, again, some nice details. You can see there's detailed tail lamps, very classic looking, with those look like rear fog, I think, which is essential in some European countries. There's the place for number plate. You got the rear door handle detailed. Even the rear window is highly tinted, so you can't really see inside. Black bumper. Also something different, there's no rivet in the back. It kind of fixes here, the black piece you see. Passenger side looks almost identical, no major differences. This is how it looks from the top. You can see some latches, I guess, for the tailgate. And this is the base, not a lot of details here. So should you get this one if you find one? Well, it depends on you. It does miss out on some details which I talked about, but still a very nice looking classic Volvo, and I like Volvos, so I had to get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.